I can only come up with one conclusion. The people of Southeast Santan are being sabotaged.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, man, I hit you. So, you know, I don't normally do videos like this, but I need to try and find out if the government is playing politics with the people of Southeast Santan. Because for some reason, for the last 4 years, they can't seem to find the water pipes. So places like parts of Limehall, Higgintown, New Ground, Fletcher's Land, Johnny Spring, Geddes Road, a lot of these places did not have water. They survive really on tank water. And so I set about to now get water for the people in this area. And it wasn't easy. But what happened is we have a well down in a place called Green Park. And in June 2014, the government announced that they would put a pumping facility and open the well. And that well would have been able to serve all of these areas and even places in northwest Santan.
We will be spending millions to equip the Green Park well and to construct the pumping station. Mr. Speaker, this project will take place in 2 phases, with phase 1 scheduled to begin the first quarter of 2015-2016, and approximately 800 citizens will benefit.
The first phase of that project was to start between 2015 and 2016. We lost the election in February of 2016 and the government changed hands. Notwithstanding that, I went to the National Water Commission in May of 2016 just to make sure that the projects were still on track. And they said to me, yes, the projects are still on track. So 1 year pass, we don't see anything happening. So I'm going to take you and show you the well.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, man, I hit you. This is the Green Park well that has been dug for years and years and years. Holy Macan and so on. If they had gone forward with this, putting the pumping station here to get the water from this well, it could serve those areas that I'm talking about in Higgintown and rotted ticks. Those areas in Higgintown and also up in Bamboo, right? And them still don't have the well going. Then the residents decided that they really needed to take matters into their own hands, and I stood up with them because we couldn't understand why we weren't getting the water. When 22 years later, 3 years later, when still, and numerous meetings and calls and visits from the National Water Commission, because after the demonstration they even came back and said they're going to give the people of Higgintown the water and run the pipes.
They say everybody come and nobody
They
come
trick
back.
with, yeah.
We are come, right? We are come through now. And within 6 weeks we will come back and tell you what we can do, and what we can't do.
I want to know.
Right? And I tell you, I promise you something. We are going to do the assessment and we'll come back within that time and tell you.
Communicate about with you.
Anything that we can do, we will tell you. And if we can't do anything, we'll tell you. Because I don't want you to say we'll come, I want to come back and tell you.
I had to go to the minister in Parliament and say, look, we still don't have it. And the minister himself at the time, Carl Samuda, said, don't worry, the money is in place.
I've heard my colleagues speak about their communities, which are important. But rural areas are very, very different when it comes to water accessibility. I have places in Monique that them have to shut off the pump sometime, places in Clapham, places in Roadside, where sometimes for 2 weeks the people don't have water because the pump is old. And it's frustrating.
I know.
It's frustrating for the people.
Yeah, but I'm giving you the answer.
All right,
I want to give you the answer.
Thank you.
The answer is that funding was a problem. That is no longer the case. And it is definitely on this year. It is definitely on this year.
Still 1 year pass, nothing happened. I met with Minister Samuda even after he mentioned it on Parliament on March 20th. He showed me the document with all of the projects on it for Southeast. I had to go back to the Ministry of Water the year later on February 5th and meet with the then minister again after, I think it was Mr. Charles at the time. They knew nothing about the water. So now I am being told that Water Commission don't have any pipes. Imagine how I feel. Imagine how I feel for the last how many years being told it's approved.
I know.
You get the document stamped. Yes, you go Water Commission, you go to Ministry of Water. Down to the other day, I went back and met. You know what ministers of water I've met with, and they're like, yes, see it early, sir. It's all there, but I cannot get it. So I know how frustrated you are. You can't be more frustrated than me.
I know, because you have to
face you.
All of us,
and when I show you the paper and say, but see it here, it's approved. That is approved on paper. You want it in your lives.
Exactly.
Right? And it's frustrating for me too as your representative. Because I'm a fight for it, you get it, the budget is there, them just don't want to implement it.
So why the reason why I don't want to implement it?
This is not a green thing. This is not an orange thing. This is a people thing. People need water. And we need to stop playing politics with people's lives. Water should be a basic human right for people. These projects from my constituency were there. They were budgeted for, even with the testimonials in Parliament, even with the assurances to me in Parliament, even with the assurances to me in meetings. So I can only come up with one conclusion. The people of Southeast St. Ann are being sabotaged. Because now I'm being told that they can't find pipes and that Water Commission doesn't have the pipes. How can Water Commission not have the pipes? Where are the pipes? Where are the pipes that were budgeted for? They got up and just walked away? So you be the judge. But the people, these people need the projects implemented. These people of Higgintown and its surroundings, all those projects that were announced for my constituency, not one pipe has yet been done. But I won't stop until we get answers.
Wagwan again, Unstoppable family. So people, as Lisa Hanna said, Member of Parliament Lisa Hanna says, it is not a colour thing. It is not about green or orange. It is not about Labour right or PMP. This is not about politics. Stop playing politics with people's lives is what she said. I'm a backer 100% on that right there. So you understand? It doesn't matter which party is in power. At the end of the day, you are in power. You are in Parliament. You are the government to make people life better. You understand? You're not just go in power for only line your pocket alone. You know? You go in power to make sure that your people of your country are okay. Right? Now Lisa Hanna right here, and this is one of the reasons why I respect this lady, because she goes out of her way. This is not the very first time I see Lisa Hanna do things like she literally get up and go out there and get down and dirty to get things done. Now when you listen to this video where Lisa Hanna talk about, if the money is in place to get this done, why is it not done? Right? If it was discussed, if it was planned, if it was organized and everything was prepared as them say, why is it that the people still are struggle for water? What? Because what? Party change, a different party come in. What is the reason behind this? Right? And none of that should matter. Whether PMP was in power at the time when the plans were made and the budget was there, and Labour right decides, all right, them win now, so we are gonna come in and no, whatever plans were made when one party was in power, then the next party were coming in power supposed to come in and make sure that everything follow through just the same way. Some people, yeah, because at the end of the day, it is for the betterment of the people. It is for the betterment of Jamaica. So if plans were put in place and funds were put aside to go towards that specific project, then the fund should still be there for that project. So as Lisa Hanna said, stop playing politics with people's life. This is a serious situation right here. So, and water is a basic necessity. Water is something that everybody is entitled to. You understand? And it is sad to see that there are sections of Jamaica where still not have running water. That is sad. Come on, man. Come on, Jamaica government. Fix this. Fix this. This is not a good look. Anyway, people, talk to me in the comment section because this one of me eating and I can see Lisa Hanna needs this one rectified as well, and she's trying her best to get the people them some water, and not only because it is her constituency, you know, but it is because she want good for Jamaican people. Watch on, man, like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe.
Right now, you know we unstoppable.